Welcome to 304 at Valley Pointe, Hurricane's newest multifamily housing development. When the project is complete, we will have 304 total units. We are now open and leasing and welcome you to come book a tour. This is our Valley floor plan. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and just shy of 1,200 square feet. Each unit comes with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and in-unit washer dryers. Each building has secured access and elevators for the ease of the residents.